who needs the prompter when we're talking about girl talk, right?
Okay, but you have to tell the people what we're talking about.
Girl talk, see with me, while we find it on the paper.
See there, no,
but come on, make sure we say the right thing.
Page 8.
Also, we reach at page 10 and 9.
Page 8.
Page 8 says, no, but she's a woman. So, some of the things that what?
Women, I guess, should not be expected to do because, no, but she's a woman.
Oh
boy, this is going to be fun.
That's why my brain couldn't wrap around it, because I'm like,
especially when we get to number 4.
Number 1, having too many sexual partners. While no one's number should matter, it is men who sleep around are studs, but women who do the same are looked at in a Women labeled promiscuous were rejected by their male and female peers.
And female peers?
Yeah. Yeah.
Double standard.
Yeah.
Especially here.
Yeah.
Men can just sow. Just go and sprinkle.
Yeah, man, I tell them, go and sow oats, still end up with porridge.
Sow their oats. Women, ladies don't do that. I mean, I personally feel that ladies really
I always ask myself,
that,
you know, they say, yeah, man, go sow your oats. So who are you sowing your oats with, though? Because if women are not supposed to do it, what are you sowing oats with? Arrow, why are you looking around the studio like you're deaf? I always wonder, somebody enlighten me.
Well, in this 2017, folks, and this enlightened era and this era of freedom of womanhood, a lot of ladies are not putting those labels on themselves. They're just living their lives. Yeah. I don't really care what anybody has to say. A lot of mercy. Nobody going to message me and Simone and go say, me and Simone say, women are to be promiscuous. That's not what we're saying. Well, I did say a while ago, 2 minutes ago, that I don't feel that women should live their lives like that. Right. We're addressing the double standard. It just ought not to be done. And it's not fair that men should not be able to do it and get a big up and a pat on the back. Yo, to this and it. No. You're just as not, you know. Yeah, someone can have like 5 kids with 5 different baby mother. And then a woman, I'm saying, then how much money she want to pay for? Come on, man, get real. Okay. Having a messy home. Though an estimated 81% of men and 87% of women report feeling anxious about home keep-up, women still do the majority of the housework. Would you look at that? When we are also the ones doing most of the work out of the home as well, a lot of us have to come home and then see arrow pants on the floor and his socks over the nether side, then his plate where he eats it and leave it on the dresser for who to pick it up. I'm not going to tell a lie though, I'm one of the people who probably, meaning if I go into a single man's home and it's messed up, I'm less judgmental than if I go into a single woman's home. I'm not saying it's right, I'm just being honest and saying that's how I think. You ever reach home on a date and you have to work hard to even shut your eye? Because it's hard, because you're tired, and you realize that the bedroom don't really stay so good. But if it's you to clean it at that point, it don't gonna. All the while. Okay, just checking. All the while. Cause it's not a matter of laziness. It's just a matter sometimes that your boss, you know, if you do that now as a rule because you just can't bother them. But I wouldn't lie. I mean, I think if I walked into a man's house and it was messy, I'd be less judgmental. It's not right, but I'm gonna be honest. No, I would think he's a nasty man. Well, it depends on the extent of what is in there, because nasty is just nasty, male or female. Me just attack, if I go son of the house, I have to back. No, then something wrong. Back. Being overweight. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, Dele, can you tell the story again that you told the policeman? About the policeman? Yes. No, me not tell about the policeman. After me get the policeman story, and I can't believe somebody at Pegasus Expo, and a gentleman comes to me and he says, do you remember me from school? Long time or whatever. You put on weight, man. And I said, no, do it. I said, no, do it. I said, you really look on the belly in front of you and tell me to put on weight? I said, talk the truth. The lady across from me, she just bust out a laugh here. Him never hear, so them never tell you, so can you answer? You know what? When you see Belly Jody, when him say, if Santa want a vacation, him could have claimed the work.
And the man that Mr. put out, Mr. not do it. Mr. Why you always do it?
9 months
Make
pregnant.
the MAGA people raise it. You not do it.
You know what I find with people who do that? It's always the most vulnerable people, meaning the people who are in a position where you can point them out for the same thing or worse.
Oh, God.
That. We have to go?
Yeah, we have to go.
Okay.
But the truth, they allow men to be, but not women. Being blunt or assertive, if a woman is blunt or assertive, them say she go on like she a man, not having children. Women don't have children. They have all kinds of derogatory terms to say about women. All
right, folks. That's what it looks like outside. Where is that, Shauna? Mandela. Oh, wow.
Look, Mountain View is impossible. We could have named roads all morning. It's very, very bad on the streets. Be safe. Don't try to cross no water. Parents, if you've dropped your children at school, go back for them. So only the security guard is there, and you can't leave your one security guard to be responsible for so many children. Go back for your picnic, them, carry them home or to your office. All schools are closed except in Hanover, St. James, Westmoreland. We have to go. Look at that, man.
Stay dry, lady.
You too.
Yeah, I will. Guys. I will. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Daily, look on your phone. It says look on your phone. Showing you more images as we go of what's going on. And is that person in a boat or in a car? Oh my God. Oh my God! Daily, look at the screen.
If Joe did that move from in front, eh?
Was that a...